Want to remove your profile picture from Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to remove profile picture from Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to open Threads app in your device. Then, click on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the Edit Profile button. After that, click on a current profile picture. Then tap on the Remove Current Picture button which is at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the Done button which is at the top right corner of your screen. And that's how you can remove profile picture from Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.